Today we're looking at the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss in a Cypress Grey. This one is powered by a 3.0 liter DURAMAX diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our black interior leather heated seats on both sides, and of course down below you'll find our power seat controls. Up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Further down you'll find our volume scroll wheel, and right below that you'll find our dual climate controls. To the left of that you'll find our trailer brake controls, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry, remote start, and push to start ignition. Moving along we have additional storage space with 2 cup holders, our shifter, additional space along the side, and inside of our middle console, you'll find our wireless charging pad to go alongside with our USB-C and USB charge port, our AC outlet, and additional storage down below. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that, we have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks, and of course, down below, you'll find our park brake, our drive modes, and our automatic high beam controls. Moving along to the right hand side of the steering wheel here, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. On the left hand side, you'll find our forward collision alert, our cruise control settings, and of course our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. And of course up top we have our power controls for our rear sliding power window and our universal home garage opener controls. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior leather seats with plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. Of course, in the middle, you'll find our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 vents, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat, there is cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, inside the seats itself, it does come equipped with these cubbies, as well as additional storage underneath the seats. In the middle, we do have our cup holder, and last but not least, we have our rear power sliding window that I mentioned earlier. Checking out the exterior here on the Trail Boss, we have our blacked out Chevy bow tie badge in the middle of our black grille, the Z71 badge along the corner, and of course our red tow hooks at the bottom. We also have our LED headlights and fog lamps, and down below you'll find our 20-inch black rims on our Bridgestone tires. Up top we have our black accent side mirrors, as well as our black running boards and handles with keyless entry, tint in the rear window, and if we make our way to the back, you'll find our Trail Boss decal with our black tonneau cover up top and our corner assist steps on each side. This vehicle also does come equipped with a dual chrome exhaust, as well as the multi-pro tailgate. To control it, top button gets you the first half down. This can also be turned into a step when needed. And of course, to get the whole liftgate down, just press the second button. It'll come down no problem. To lead you inside of our bed with our 120 volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2025 Chevrolet Silverado LT Trail Boss in a Cypress Grey. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.